Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or to display product categories on the shop page in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are on the admin panel of WooCommerce. Then we will need to go to WooCommerce, and after that we need to go to settings. So from the settings, we will need to go for some display items. So here we can go to the product, and basically here we can find the shop page, which is the base page that would have the products. So here we will need just to go to a product page or the product place. So from here we have the uh, downloadable products, inventory, etc. And we will need just to search for the products display category if you have it from some kind of other plugins. Another way to do it is just to go to extensions, and basically we just type products category so we can find extensions that would allow us to customize our products category or in our page. So you can just type, for example, display as follow, and you might find extensions that would allow you to add styling to your page, etc. So here we cannot find them in the extensions, and you might find them in the plugins. And basically, we will need just to go to the plugins, and we just add new plugin, and we search for the ones that would add these snippets of codes. And basically, it's simply you will need just to modify on your theme code so you can add this function to be able to, as you can see, either you can start filtering or you can start adding your category to your page. So either you can start add product category slider and product category showcase for WooCommerce so you can display your products category in a visually appealing slider. So this one would change your theme. You can find many of them, or you can search for some snippets plugins that would allow you to add snippets to your code. So here, as you can see, this is make upload file names lowercase, some other ones, and basically you will need just to start creating your snippets. So basically it will be a function or a PHP function, and you will need to create a new one so you can uh, display the file name or the categories. And after you add the plugin, you will need just to activate it and it will do the work. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.